Christmas Eve, 2008, 6 p.m. A man is staring at his phone. Not texting, not scrolling, waiting. If this call doesn't come, 2 companies die tonight, 3,000 people lose their jobs, and the man who wanted to change the world goes personally bankrupt. His name is Elon Musk, and this is the night nobody talks about. The night before he became everything. He was about to lose it all. South Africa, 1971. Not a rich family, not a powerful name. Just a kid who read every book in his school library. At 17, he left alone. Almost no money. College was harder. Some days, 1 hot dog. That was everything he could afford. But he had one thing money couldn't buy. He believed the future could be completely different. 1999. His first company sold for $307 million. His share, $22 million. Most people stopped there. Not Elon. He put everything into PayPal, walked away with $180 million. And then, he did something that made everyone think he was insane. He took that $180 million and bet it on 2 ideas that had never worked before: electric cars and private rockets to Mars. His friends begged him to stop. He smiled and kept going. 2008. The entire world is falling apart, and Elon Musk is already in his own private nightmare. SpaceX launched 3 rockets. All 3 exploded. $100 million gone. Tesla had only $9 million left in the bank, barely enough for 2 weeks. His marriage ended. Divorce finalized, September 2008. He later said, "I never thought I was someone who could have a nervous breakdown, but that morning, it seemed pretty dark. He was borrowing money from friends just to pay rent. The man with $180 million couldn't pay his own rent. His advisors said, 'Pick one, save yourself.' He refused. He took his last $35 million, split it. Half to Tesla, half to SpaceX, all in, on both, with almost nothing left.
10.
September 28, 2008, SpaceX control. Complete
4,
silence.
3,
4th rocket,
2,
last chance.
1.
If this fails, SpaceX is finished forever. The engines ignite. It climbs, past where the first one failed, past where the second one failed, past where the third one exploded, and then orbit. The room erupted. Engineers crying, hugging, screaming. The first privately funded rocket in history had reached space, but Tesla was still dying. Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2008, 6 p.m., last hour, last day possible. The call came. Investors said yes, Tesla was saved by 1 hour on Christmas Eve. 3 days later, NASA called. $1.6 billion contract. Elon couldn't hold the phone. He just said, "I love you guys." That was 2008. This is 2026. Net worth over $800 billion. World's richest man. But here is what nobody shows you. The Gigafactory in Nevada. Elon slept there, not a hotel nearby, on a cot, inside the factory, working 16-hour days, 7 days a week. The richest man alive, sleeping on a cot, because the work mattered more than the comfort. People see Elon Musk today. They see the rockets, the cars, the billions. They don't see Christmas Eve 2008. They don't see a man borrowing money for rent. They don't see the moment he sat with his last $35 million and chose to bet it all instead of saving himself. That decision, that one decision, is the whole story. Not the rockets, not the billions. The moment he could have walked away and didn't. The biggest risk isn't losing everything. The biggest risk is never finding out what you were actually capable of.